Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a slim mint wallet. First, let's get acquainted with your new accessory. When you first receive your slim mint wallet, take a moment to unbox it and appreciate its sleek, minimalist design. Notice its small footprint, often measuring around 4 inches by 2.5 inches, and identify the main card access point and any additional features like a money clip or elastic band. This initial step helps you understand its unique layout. Now let's load your essentials. For the main card slot, typically designed for quick access, insert your primary cards like your debit, credit, or ID. Most slim mint wallets comfortably hold between 5 and 6 cards without becoming bulky. For cash, fold your bills into halves or thirds and secure them under the elastic band or within a dedicated cash pocket, ensuring they lie flat for a truly slim profile. Accessing your cards is incredibly simple and fast. Many slim mint wallets feature a clever mechanism, like a small lever or a thumb slide, that allows you to effortlessly fan out your cards with one hand. This makes selecting the right card a breeze. To get your cash, simply pull the folded bills from their secure spot. The design ensures everything is readily available when you need it, keeping transactions smooth. To ensure your slim mint wallet remains functional and stylish for a long time, here are a few tips. Firstly, resist the urge to overstuff it. Its design is optimized for a minimalist carry, typically holding around 10 items total. Periodically, remove any old receipts or cards you no longer use. If your wallet gets a little dirty, a gentle wipe with a soft, slightly damp cloth will keep it looking fresh and new, preserving its sleek appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.